It feels like autumn came and went at a blink of an eye. Well, just like the rest of this year, and I hear this on repeat. Time seems to fly much faster when you're an adult. I'm sure you hear it too. But autumn, this season, it's too short-lived. Come November, everyone is thinking about Christmas. Shops suddenly start playing Sinatra all day long, selling advent calendars filled with chocolates of all sorts. And as much as I love chocolate, it makes me wonder, did autumn really leave, or are we simply just hurrying time for no reason? I think it's the latter, as autumn is here for at least another month, or even more. Why hurry? Perhaps, to an extent, it all comes from dissatisfaction. Some lack of contentment with the current life. Life will be happier at Christmas. I'll start taking better care of myself in the new year. Life will have meaning again when it gets warmer. I will do so many exciting things next summer. But not right now. Right now I am too cold. I'm feeling a bit unwell or overwhelmed. Not right now, next time, when life gets better. But, you know, it doesn't get better, not unless we do, today, not tomorrow. We all think at one point or another, when I get there, I will be happy. Make it conditional, like satisfaction with life is a goal that can be achieved when we hit certain milestones. But when we hit them, Christmas comes, New Year passes. Why is that nagging feeling of emptiness still here? We have to remember that the goals, the future success, it will all happen and be a moment past, while your journey, your everyday life, is the continuous process. All I want right now is to live in the moment, despite my constant, actively worried mind. Enjoy this beauty for so much longer, without a hurry. Make every day of my life beautiful. I don't know how, I don't know what exactly needs to be done to achieve it. What is the formula? How do you go and make your mundane life beautiful just like that? Perhaps I am looking at the answer, but not really seeing. I come home to hot tea and make myself a comforting dessert. I always like to have a dessert on Sunday evening, as Sundays generally feel a bit odd. I lose myself, only to be rediscovered again as the new week comes. I want to make myself feel better, warm up my bones. Hot tea and apple pear crumble it is. I got soaked under the rain that day. My shoes and the hem of my dress got covered in mud. It was sunny when I left home, mind you, and I was worried about forgetting my sunglasses. But it was beautiful. A peaceful weekend in the woods under the bright orange acres. These type of trees, or any maples really, are not that common in England. They are the most magnificent autumn trees, that quintessential autumn sight that I've been missing so much lately. The joy I felt being surrounded by this magical, colourful foliage planted in this little wood was indescribable, despite the pouring rain and squelching mud getting stuck to the soles of my shoes. This time I only want to look upwards, and I will deal with the mud later. It's not that big of a nuisance, if you really think about it. This is a heartfelt goodbye to autumn. Soon I will too give in to the festive cheer as the last autumn leaf lands at my feet from the cherry tree in my garden. Thank you for spending this autumn day with me yet again. I will see you soon.